Hello everyone, today I will be analyzing the possible plastic surgery procedures of the members of Twice. This video was requested in the comment section of my Everglow plastic surgery analysis video. If you have any requests which group you want to see me analyze, please leave it in the comments. I think plastic surgery is neither bad or good, as celebrities has immense pressure to look as good as they possibly can, which can be helped by plastic surgery. I think it will be a healthier environment if celebrities in general are more open and honest about plastic surgery and cosmetic procedures that they've done, or at least not lie about it, so the general public can see that beauty is attainable through plastic surgery. I know there's a stigma around plastic surgery all around the world, but people need to realize that it's pretty common among celebrities, as it's demanded by society that celebrities look perfect, so we shouldn't blame them if they resort to plastic surgery. I want this video series to be a form of discussion between people who are interested in the possible procedures celebrities had, and break the negative sentiment around plastic surgery. I assume that many celebrities, including K-pop idols, have done some sort of cosmetic procedures because their occupation demands them to look as good as they possibly can. I may be totally wrong about this assumption, as I don't know what goes on behind the scenes. A few disclaimers before we begin. I'm not a plastic surgeon, nor have I gotten plastic surgery, so my knowledge in this area is limited. These are just my speculations and not facts. I have no idea about the member's medical history, and these are just my speculations, so you can respectfully disagree. This post is not meant to send hate to the members, as they are probably pressured by the industry to look as good as they possibly can. With that out of the way, let's get started. Nayeon has a lot of adorable predebut photos online. She has always had the same smile, and I don't see many changes to her face at all. Before looking at her predebut photos, I suspected that she got a rhinoplasty. Her nose didn't seem to change much from the front view when I compare her predebut photos with her recent photos. But when I look at her side profile, her nose did change. Her nose used to be sloped outwards, or have a more convex shape, while her current nose is sloped inwards, or have a more concave shape. Other than that, I don't think I see other changes to her face. In conclusion, I think Nayeon got a rhinoplasty. She has always been really pretty. I love her bunny teeth. I think she really suits being the center of Twice. Moving on to Jeongyeon. Jeongyeon has a lot of adorable predebut photos. She has always been pretty. I don't think I see any changes to her face that are likely caused by plastic surgery. I believe she is likely natural. In conclusion, I think Jeongyeon is likely natural. I hope her issues with anxiety can be resolved soon. I'm sure even non-onces would like to see her happy. Moving on to Momo. Momo has adorable predebut photos online. She too have always been pretty. I think she likely got subtle cheekbone reduction as her cheekbones in 16 look to have been more prominent. This can also be paired with getting fillers or fat graft to her cheeks area to fill in her cheeks and making her face look less bony. In her childhood photos, we can see that Momo had monolids, but in other childhood photos we can see that she has double eyelids. I know many people suspected that she got double eyelid surgery, but I'm going to go out on a limb and say that her double eyelids may be natural. I think this way because when she is looking down, there is no clear distinct line on her eyelid crease. It's likely that her double eyelids became more consistent with age, or maybe she trains them using eyelid tape. I do think she got fillers or fat injections to her lower eyelids to fill up her agiosal area. She may have also gotten fillers to her bottom lips. I think Momo may have also gotten breast implants. She may just use very thick padding, but I do believe it's more likely that she got breast implants. In conclusion, I think Momo got a cheekbone reduction, fillers or fat grafting to her cheek area and agiosal area, fillers to her bottom lips, and breast implants. She is truly blessed with good looks and an amazing dancing skill. Moving on to Sana. It seems like Sana lost quite a lot of weight from the pretty bee days. This may have contributed to some of the changes we see on her face. With that being said, I do think she got cheekbone reduction, as her cheekbones look to be less prominent now. When a person loses weight, Their cheekbones usually become more prominent, not less, as there is less fat covering it. I also think that Sana got a rhinoplasty. I couldn't find enough clear predebut photos as proof, but I think this way because her nose looks to be pretty thin for the proportions of her face. We can also sometimes see clear straight lines on the side of the bridge of her nose, which is usually a sign of a rhinoplasty. I'm unsure about her eyelids. In the childhood photos, it looks like she had monolids. Now she has double eyelids. But like Momo, when Senna is looking down, there's no clear consistent lines on her eyelid crease. She may have gotten suture double eyelid surgery, which is a non-incisional method that results in more natural looking double eyelids. I also think Sana got subtle fillers to her top and bottom lips. In conclusion, I think Sana got a cheekbone reduction, rhinoplasty, suture eyelid surgery, and fillers to her top and bottom lips. I think the possible procedures were really well done and enhanced her beauty in the best way possible. Moving on to Jihyo. Jihyo has a lot of adorable childhood photos online. She has always had large eyes. She gradually lost weight since her debut, which is why her face looks to have lost a lot of volume. Other than that, I don't think I see other changes to her face. In conclusion, I think Jihyo is likely natural. She looks amazing after her gradual weight loss. I really admire her for losing weight in a healthy way and maintaining her body. Moving on to Mina. Mina has a lot of adorable pre-debut selkas. She has always been really pretty. I don't see many changes to her face. To me, her nose looks slightly more projected now, and her nose tip also looks slightly longer. These changes are likely due to an L-shaped nose implant. I'm not too sure about her getting a rhinoplasty though. If she did, it was really well done and looks natural. In conclusion, I think there's a possibility that Mina got a rhinoplasty, though I'm not too sure about this. I love her gummy smile and the mole on her nose. She is truly blessed with good looks. Moving on to Dahyun. Dahyun has a lot of adorable pre-debut photos online. She really didn't look to change much at all. I initially suspected that she got a rhinoplasty, but after looking at her pre-debut photos, I believe her nose is likely natural. She did lose volume on her face, but I do think it was caused by the weight loss. In conclusion, I think Dahyun is likely natural. She has one of the best side profiles I've ever seen. It doesn't seem like she's someone who cares too much about her appearance. Moving on to Chaeyoung. Chaeyoung has a lot of adorable pre-debut selkas. She didn't look to change much at all. I think her eyelids are likely natural, as her eyelid folds are not consistent in size and her eyelids look shallow. I'm not too sure about her nose, but it seems like her nose remained the same in the pre-debut photos available. But I don't think I have enough good photos to be 100% confident in my speculation. It seems like Chaeyoung's lips have been more full recently. I think she got fillers to her top and bottom lips. In conclusion, I think Chaeyoung got fillers to her top and bottom lips. She has always looked adorable. I love her big eyes. Last but not least, we have Chewy. Chewy has a lot of adorable pre-debut selkas online. She has always been pretty. I think the biggest change to her face are her eyebrows. Her eyebrows are probably threaded to look thinner. Her lips also look to be slightly fuller. She likely got fillers, especially to her top lips. Other than that, I don't think I see other changes to her face. In conclusion, I think Chewy likely got fillers to her top lip. I think she is one of the prettiest visuals in K-pop. She is truly blessed with good looks. Remember, when I do these analysis, I'm always at a neutral position. I don't think plastic surgery is bad nor good, so let's not spread unnecessary hate towards the members or my opinions. I hope anyone watching this takes this post in a positive way and realize that plastic surgery is not a bad thing. We need to understand that K-pop idols and other celebrities have a lot of pressure to look good, and it's not a bad thing if they resort to plastic surgery, as it is demanded by society. As I stated in the beginning, this is not meant for fuel to send hate towards the members. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.